Hey guys, what's up? It's Jessica and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some DIY stickers, and these aren't going to be just any kind of stickers, but BTS themed stickers. The method that I'm showing you can be used to make stickers of any other design, so you can personalize it to whatever you want them to look like. This method is very simple, and the key to this is the printer. You have to have a laser printer for this method, as the toner is going to be transferred onto another surface. First, gather a bunch of images and put them together onto a document. Make sure you size them correctly, as once you print them, that's the size that they're going to stay. It's easiest not to make them too small or too big, as you're going to be doing a lot of cutting and taping, and if the width of your tape is too small compared to your printed image, your stickers won't end up looking right. Vectors are the best images to choose because they remain as a high quality image no matter what size you make the image. All of the images that I used will be linked down below in the description, so you guys can use them if you'd like. I didn't draw any of these amazing pictures, so I don't want to take any credit, so you can draw them if you would like, but I chose the easier route. After you have compiled all of your sticker images, you want to print them. Remember to print them one-sided only, because if it was double-sided, your stickers would get messed up later. I have a black and white printer, so I'm not exactly sure if printing them out colored would work. I personally prefer them as black and white, as you can color on the stickers with marker to add your own color and design. For the next steps, you will need clear tape and scissors. You can use normal clear tape, but packing tape makes it a lot easier. Then you just want to cover all of your images with tape. Make sure that there are no air bubbles or cracks and that the tape is pressed on tight. This is because you want the toner or image to stick onto the tape. The sizing that I arranged my pictures actually messed up some of the images in the process, so I didn't end up making those into stickers after all. I put some big stickers next to some really small stickers, so when I tried to cover up the small stickers, the rest of the tape would only cover half of the big stickers. I made a large batch of stickers, but it was worth it. It was hard to find Jungkook images, as every single drawing of him showed him with like the bunny ears. Also guys, comment down below who's your bias in BTS, because I really want to know, because mine's V, by the way. I also printed out some of Amanda Rachel Lee's doodles of BTS that she posted on her Instagram because they were really pretty. As you can see, I really pressed it down on the tape. I used my nail, my finger, I used scissors. I just did everything to press it down, and you can actually see like the difference of pressing your finger down on the tape compared to just sticking it on. When you press it down, the ink becomes much darker as it's being stuck onto the tape. I also printed out some of the BT21 characters because they just look really cute, and I thought it'd be fun to stick them around in my bullet journal because, you know, they're just really cute little characters. And also because some of the members didn't have a lot of cartoon versions of them, like cute chibi versions. Once you're done taping, you want to start cutting all of your images out. You can cut them around perfectly to the image's outline, but I just cut them into squares to make my life easier. For the Koya stickers, I was only looking for Koya, not his headphones and all of the hearts, so I didn't cut out all of the headphones and the hearts. Once you're done cutting up the stickers, you want to fill up a container with water. It can be any kind of container. I chose to do multiple containers because I had so many stickers. The temperature of the water doesn't really matter because all you want to do is to make the paper wet. So basically you just put all of your little stickers, the little cutouts, into the water and just let it soak and let it sit. Everyone's soaking time will be a little bit different. The point of soaking in water is to let the paper become really wet and allow time for the ink or toner to transfer onto the tape, so when you're done, basically the paper will be easier to remove. So you guys, everyone's stickers waiting time will depend and vary, and I made a lot of stickers, so I just peeled a bit off. Apparently Jimin's sticker is ready, but I will soak it for a little longer just in case to get all the ink off of the paper onto the tape. While your stickers are soaking, you want to prepare your sticker sheet. So I decided to use a Ziploc bag and I cut it up into squares, but you can use parchment paper or wax paper. have used those before and they work really well too. You can also use old used up sticker sheets and you can just take off the rest old stickers and you can use the shiny surface. Once you've prepped your sticker sheets, you want to take out your stickers and you want to rub the wet paper off of the back of the tape. This may take a while and it might feel really weird in the beginning because you're just like touching soggy paper, but it actually gets quite satisfying to like reveal the ink, the picture underneath. It's sort of like weird and difficult to explain, but you can just watch what I'm doing and you'll understand. While the sticker is still wet, it might not feel sticky at all, and the top of the sticker where it's not supposed to be sticky might look really pale, but everything happens while it's drying. So once it's dry, everything will look good and the stickiness of the tape will come back, I promise you. Make sure you get all of the paper off, guys, or else when it dries you'll have these little like paper stains underneath of your sticker, which I guess is okay if you're putting it on just white paper, but it just looks really weird while they're on the sticker sheet. Once you're done taking off all of the paper, just leave all of your sticker sheets and the stickers to dry. I did this overnight. I think that's the best way to do it to ensure that it's completely good, and then they're done. I think these are super cute and I think I'm going to be using these a lot all over my bullet journals and just for decoration. They're just really fun and really cute, and you guys can personalize them with whatever images you want. After waiting for a couple of days, the stickers do end up becoming clear and it's really cool, and you can actually like color over it with some alcohol markers. So I did that with my Ohuhu markers. So if you guys ended up enjoying today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you do make some stickers, don't forget to post on Instagram and tag me when you do so, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!